Alright. Hello guys. If you haven't seen this channel before, what we do is we open up things and then we open up more things. And this is Micah's little man. Grizmo.
It's Grizmo, but we call it Grizmo because our parents think it looks like the Furby.
Alright, so let's get on into the video.
Hold up, wait, did we mention welcome to day 13 of Kitty's Mama Advent Calendar?
14. This is
welcome
day
to day 14.
Be sure to hit that subscribe button or we'll come to your house and we will take all your corn. So, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Alright, number 13, we're going. 14. I forget my day. This is from Precious Moments. Thank you very much for the free product. Alright, so today we got a little shepard. This is what they heard when they paid attention for all their worth. Glory to God in the highest and peace to his people on earth. Number 14.
This one's also for Precious Moments, so we don't have to thank them twice.
Alright. This one is cute. Just look what we found. It's a little snow girl all twinkly and round.
You dropped it. I was gonna grab it. But then it fell.
Bam. Alright, let's get right on into them.
Beef jerky!
Get into the meat. Now it's meat time, and yesterday I accidentally opened up number 14 by accident, so... We got... habanero beef strips.
Place it between the scissors.
Your attempt was admirable, Emma. That's for you, Emma. That's for someone. And that's for the military. Okay.
Here.
I don't know what to open.
I know. I got such a small bite that all I tasted was the spice and nothing else. But you know, pretty good.
Yeah. It's alright. You could go to the gas station and buy one of those. That'd be like, yeah.
Alright, I'm opening up number 14 of the jewelry advent calendar.
Don't mind that. That's just our pet office monkey.
Okay, this one is a little heart that says love on it. Okay, day number 14?
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
We got Beam Me Up Illumination. I think this is like a liquid highlight. All right, yeah, liquid highlighter.
Okay, so what highlighter does is it makes your face all shiny. And that's it. People love it these days. All right, so let's go on into cheese time.
Need watermelon.
This is cheese.
Yeah, it's not Herb Gouda.
What is it?
Aged cheddar.
Let me see. You want some cheese?
That's not good. I don't like aged cheddar. If Noah was here, he'd be like, ooh!
Now the history of aged cheddar.
But I'm not him, so.
Raisins.
Okay, so first one is, we saw it yesterday. I can already tell by the shape of it about what it is.
This is from Moose. Thank you, Moose, for the free product.
And it's a donate, though. So this is gonna go to kids who are less fortunate than ourselves.
The big one.
It's pretty funny.
Open this big one.
All right, time to open this big one.
This one's for Mocha.
Can I make it?
This is from Learning Resources. Thank you, Learning Resources, for the free product.
This is a Coding Critters, ages 4 and up. I would assume she's supposed to drive over them.
He got it.
Like, let's
No, just let her go. Just let her go.
apparently you can also program her to chase things.
He got it.
Yeah. Press the nose.
Hi.
Bam. Alright, so that about wraps it up for today. I'd like to thank everyone for being a part of this here journey on day number 14. We'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you for watching. watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up on Twitter. See you later, YouTube.
Bye.